Hello, beautiful people. Thank you for joining us. As you can see, we are in our little backyard garden. Okay, so what do we have today? I want to introduce you to a unique fruit which on our channel we have eaten it, but right now we have the plant in our garden. Okay, so the name of the um, fruits is Cucumis metuliferus. Okay, the name may sound strange, but is popularly known as African uh, cucumber. Okay, or kiwano, or on melon, African on melon. Okay, so behind me, this is the plant. Come take a look at it. You see, this is the first one. It looks very strange. Okay, it has a lot of health benefits. As you could see, the benefits include essential nutrients, varieties of essential nutrients. It has several potent antioxidants. It promotes red blood cells the production. It controls blood sugar level and support proper hydration, and it improves health. Okay, mood. So this melon, or this is, yeah, these are various ones. These are the younger ones. They are climbing. We have them many. Okay, we have them many. Like, let me show you here. You can see them. You can see they are just many. They are growing, and this is the baby one. Okay, these are the baby one. This is how it looks like. So it's just growing. Okay, this is on melon. It looks like the logo of Corona. Okay, this is very sharp. Oh, wow, it's very sharp. It's very sharp. So we just have them many. So they are climbing. So this is how the flower looks like. It looks like pumpkin flower. It has the same quality of like pumpkin, but pumpkin is bigger, but this is smaller. Okay, when it started growing, I thought it was pumpkin, but little did I know that it's not pumpkin. Okay, so that is how it looks like. Okay, this is it. It's just growing on my, it's climbing the, wow, there are many. They are climbing the mango. Okay, Manuela, this is on melon. Okay,
On melon.
yes, on melon. Okay, at this stage it has not ripe. Okay, yes. But this thing is very sharp. Oh, Jesus Christ, it's like weapon. So beautiful people, this is, yes, there are many. This one is still growing. Oh, there are many in this place. Come and see. Come here. Beautiful people, as you can see behind me here, we have them here. There are many. This is it. These are it. You can see them there. That is one there. A lot. They are just growing. It's many. So those are the baby ones. Those are the baby ones. They are just growing. Manuela, so we have a new fruit. Okay, we'll be eating it very soon. So Thank you for watching. Very soon we'll be harvesting it, okay? And when we harvest it, we'll be taking you along. Manuela, say bye-bye.
Bye.
Tell them bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye. See you in our next video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, okay? Remember, this is Kiwano, that is on melon, African cucumber, on cucumber. Bye-bye. Mwah.